Hi, welcome to CRM Marketing Training. Today we'll be walking through how to send an email through Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So, you're ready to send an email. First, you'll want to make sure that you've tested your email extensively for quality control. This means checking the body of the email as well as the subject line and pre-header for any typos or formatting issues. It also means testing your email across different devices and email service providers. We recommend using a tool such as Litmus or Email on Acid to do this kind of testing. Next, you'll want to ensure you have approval from data stewards and/or school or unit leadership to send to your audience. Finally, you'll want to have your data extension or subscriber list up to date and ready to go. If you're using a data extension, make sure you also have a corresponding publication list set up. Let's get started. From Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you'll want to navigate to Email Studio. Next, you'll want to find the email that you want to send to. Click Content, and then we'll find the folder that the email you want to send is within. Click the email. I recommend looking through the subject line and pre-header as well as the email body to just check and make sure everything looks as it should. Next, you'll want to hit Send. Once again, I recommend through all of these stages to review the subject line, pre-header, and email body copy and content to make sure everything looks as it should. When you're defining properties, you'll want to select the Saved Send classification. This is what controls who the email comes from. You should have already created a Saved Send classification to send to. If you have not, we have resources showing you how to do so in some of our other training modules. Once you've selected the Saved Send classification, make sure the description, from name, reply name, and email addresses look correct. You'll also want to double check that your header and footer have none selected here. If anything looks incorrect here, review our Saved Send classification training module. Next, you'll want to select the audience. In this case, I'm using a data extension, so I'll navigate to that data extension. To select the data extension, I'll drag it over here, and next I will select the publication list. Do not use the All Subscribers publication list. If you use this All Subscribers publication list, you may enable constituents to accidentally unsubscribe from other IU communications through Marketing Cloud. Instead, look for your publication list, click it, and then select. If you wanted to exclude any constituents, you could find their data extension and drag it over here. At this stage, I like to double check and make sure that the total targeted is as I am expecting it to be. So this is 3 people who are going to receive this message from this data extension, which looks correct to me. Now we're going to hit Next and review the send timing. You can send immediately or you can schedule in advance. Depending on what your needs are, either option works just fine. If you're looking to schedule, you can select the date and you can select the time. Just make sure that you have the correct time. AM and PM can sometimes be easy to select the incorrect one. For tracking, leave these all default here. Once you've reviewed all of this, click Next. Once again, review your target audience publication list, how many people have been targeted for the send, any exclusions, and your delivery information before moving on. Additionally, at least one more time, check your subject line, pre-header, and email content to ensure it looks as you expect. Once you have verified that all of this information is correct, click this checkbox and hit the send button. The email, depending on if you've set it to schedule in advance or send immediately, will take the next steps to send. If you want to learn more about tracking and looking at what your send analytics look like after it's been sent, check out our other modules. Thanks for watching.